Got my lovely assistant here with me again. We're going to be working on a roll. This is another head movement where we want to make sure that we can move our heads as little as we have to so we don't lose our body position and give our opponent a tactical advantage over us. So here's how we do this, right? You're always going to be in your fighting stance. You're always going to be protected. Lead hand is up right there at your temple. Your striking or dominant hand is going to be right at your cheek. Now, as she throws a jab at me, I'm going to do my slip, but then most people are going to do a 1-2 combination, so I'm going to roll underneath. Okay, so she's going to jab, I slip, and then she's going to cross and I roll under. So again, a roll, after you've slipped, you're going to roll under, dropping from the knees, right? A lot of people like to roll keeping the knees straight, mainly because their legs get tired and they start getting lazy. So you really want to drop from the knees, keep your eyes on your opponent the entire time. You're going to pivot and squash the bug just like you would for any other strike. Cool thing here is you're actually loaded and ready to deliver a return punch after that roll. So again, just focusing on the roll, she's gonna do a 1-2, but I'm gonna roll every time, okay? Go ahead. Oop, slow down.
Sorry.
Easy, killer. All right, so she's gonna jab, roll, 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 roll. So you're rolling underneath the strikes.